Hi guys, now I'm gonna teach you how to make a fire with water on the top. Now, let's see how does it work. First, you need a nether rock and flint steel. Then you need like a ice cube. Ice. After that, you're going to go. I don't care about my place. So it's like this. Then here it is. Then first put an ice on the top of it. There you go, guys. Then break the. Oh, it's too much high for it, right? Make it low bit. And that's how you do it. And just wait for it to melt. Then like the stories like these. There. Then after it melts, like make a fire. And if it melts, takes like minutes. As you can see, it will be like this. After it melts, see, yay, it melted. Now you can see we can swim in it's with fire. Oh no, it grew up. You must not. How about let's do it again. Let's try. It must be only one or two sides of it. Now it won't fail. Must be only one with other sides. Oh no, the rain. Seriously. Let's make it faster. Faster than ever. Oh crap. Just make it faster a little bit. Oh nice. Just like that. It will be like this. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. Bye guys.